Hi everyone, I'm Andy Karopoulos. I'm the Assistant Media Manager here at Granite Town Media. GTM is Milford's community media TV station. We offer 4 channels on local cable. Channel 20, our education channel. Channel 21, our government channel. Channel 22, our public channel for residents to submit content and shows. And our full HD channel, 1071. So if you're not a cable subscriber or you're not located here in Milford, there are other ways to watch GTM. One way is through the Cablecast Screenweave app, which is available on Roku devices, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV and TV sticks, as well as on Android devices and iOS devices. So we're going to go over how to install the app and how to catch up on all the things happening on Granite Town Media in Milford. So first let's start off with installing the app on Roku. So let's head down to Search. And here we're going to type in Cablecast Screenweave. Now as you can see, I already have it installed and in recent searches, but right here is where you will type Cablecast Screenweave. I'm going to select the recent search. There is the app, and we just click on Add Channel. And once it's done adding, we'll open it up. Let's click OK. We're going to go to Channel. And here it is. It's going to geolocate to the closest station near you. Right now it's Granite Town Media, which is what we want, so let's select that. And then here you are. Now you can see all of our live streams, which are our live cable feeds, as well as our video on demands, which includes education, government, and even our public programming down at the bottom. Next, we're going to install Cablecast Screenweave on the Apple TV. So here we are on Apple TV. We're going to click on the App Store. And we're going to scroll over to the search bar. And now we're going to type in Cablecast Screenweave. Now as we type it in, it should automatically pop up. And there it is right there in the center. So we're going to drop down and click on Cablecast. And then we're going to click on Get. And when you click on Get, it may or may not ask you for your Apple ID and password. So here we are inside the app on Apple TV. We are going to select Granite Town Media. Again, it'll be different depending on how far away from Milford you're physically located. And here it is on Apple TV. Again, all of our live streams are up top, which are the same as our cable feeds, as well as our video on demand, including education, government, and public, and that updates as we produce more content in real time. Next, I'm going to show you how to install the app on Amazon Fire TV and TV sticks. So here we are on our Amazon Fire device. We're going to go over to Find, click on Search, and on Amazon's Fire TV, the app is actually called Screenweave instead of Cablecast or Cablecast Screenweave. So we'll type in Screenweave and search, and it is our second app selection, this one, Screenweave. Make sure it is the app developed by Tightrope Media Systems. We'll click on Get here, let it download, installing, and we'll open it up. and we'll select Granite Town Media, which is number 1 on this list. And here it is, our live streams, education programming, government programming, and public programming. And this is all of our on-demand content, as well as, again, our live streams up at the top, which are the same feeds that are actually on local cable. So the next device that we will go over is the Android devices, so an Android tablet or an Android phone. Here we are on our Android phone. We're going to open up the Play Store, type into the top Cablecast, scroll down to the green icon Cablecast, click Install. Let it download and install. Open it up. There's all the stations. We'll select Granite Town Media as always. And it's just like on any of the other apps I've already shown you. Your live streams up at the top, educational programming, government programming, and our public on-demand programming. Next up, we're going to go over how to install the app on an iOS device, which is extremely similar to this. Alright, here we are on our iPhone. We'll open up the App Store, search up Cablecast again. And there it is, number 1 result, so let's download it. I've already had it on this phone, so we'll re-download it. Let it install. Open it up. And just like on Android, we'll select Granite Town Media. And there it is, almost the exact same interface. Live streams, on-demands, and now you have the ability to watch Granite Town Media on your iPhone or your iPad. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget that we're also on YouTube at YouTube/Granite Town Media, as well as check out our Facebook page for all our updates for events here in town and when we post special event videos. Thanks for watching, guys.